This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for September 26, 2023. It's currently July 17th, 2023, 6:46 p.m. Eastern Time. The shuffle file for the 26th reading was created on July 7th, 2023 at 2:39 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this video right here. So the overall theme and behavior for the 26th, we have a sideways fluctuating rally that precedes a decline. Behavior around the highest high, a sharp drop off of the highest high. Behavior around the lowest low, a U-shaped dip. So usually when you see the Priestess card in the low position, there's like two peaks with a trough in between. The trough is where the low is, and you can see we have a low midday, it looks like. There's no real trade advisement here. However, when we look at the 26th, there's a notable trade opportunity. First off, we have a cross-reading congruency, so there's an important resistance level we've met many times before, and we sell off pretty notably from that in the pre-market. It's an important price level highlighted around the open, important on a 1 month scale at least, and a lot of price change around the open from a trough there around 940-ish. A lot of price change. It looks like it's kind of mixed there around a trough there in the first half hour. And then we have three pokes through the same price level around 10 to 11 o'clock and a sharp drop off of that third poke. Multiple failed attempts to break through key resistance between roughly 11 and 12, and it looks like a crest around 11:30. Probably the same resistance that we saw in the pre-market, or it very likely is. And that decline off after failed attempt to break through key resistance, we decline into a day's low midday, where we have a mix like back and forth behavior between a resistance and a support, back and forth, creating a sideways S formation, a brief peak that's easily missed between roughly 1 and 2, followed by a sharp decline through multiple support levels. And then out of that decline between 2 and 3, there's a big move from the bottom of range to the top of a range. Actually looks like it's a decline through multiple support levels. We bounce around sideways between 130 and 230, and then we decline further through support levels to reach a trough or another low there for the day. And out of that, there's a big move from the bottom of the range all the way to the top of the range, taking us to a high for the day with a rally along a diagonal trend line that ends with a fast sudden move higher right around the close, and then a breakdown through that diagonal trend line with increasing volatility on the way down into the post-market. And that's the S&P 500 for September 26, 2023. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Most importantly, make sure to follow that rule of karma. You do so here on the resources tab of our website, Tarot for Traders. 5% of the profits that you make from this information should be donated forward to one of these charities. 5% of the profits from the information of this channel should be donated back to the channel. That's what keeps us going and allows us to put out more channel to help you keep profiting, my friends. So make sure to follow those rules of karma and be my angel investors. As long as you spend that 90% left over out of love along with those first two rules, the universe is going to send it back to you tenfold through this channel, my friends. I'll see you guys on the next one.